In an unprecedented move, 7 opposition parties, including the Congress, took the first step towards the impeachment of Chief Justice of India Deepak Mishra. They submitted a petition to the Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, which was signed by at least 64 members of parliament. The Congress also cited the press conference that 4 senior Supreme Court judges had held in the month of January. And they said that there have been few questions raised about CJI Mishra since he has been appointed, like the allotment of cases that he has done and few administrative decisions that he has taken.
We have moved a motion for impeachment for the removal of Chief Justice of India. We have sought his removal under Article 217, read with Article 124(4) of the Constitution of India.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court also sought help from Attorney General K.K. Venugopal on a plea which is seeking to gag the media from reporting about impeachment of judges. A trial court in 2012 had sentenced her to life imprisonment, calling her one of the key conspirators in the Naroda Patia riots. But today, the Gujarat High Court acquitted former State Minister Maya Kodnani of all charges, saying that no criminal conspiracy could be established against her. The Gujarat High Court, however, found Babu Bajrangi, a former Bajrang Dal leader, guilty and upheld his conviction. Out of the 32 people who were convicted in 2012, 17 of them were acquitted today. In one of the worst massacres of the Gujarat riots in 2002, 97 Muslims were killed in Naroda Patia.
इस बात को लेकर बहुत बड़ी हैरानी भी है और शौक भी है कि माया कोडनानी को जो है तो बरी कर दिया गया है, क्योंकि माया कोडनानी के खिलाफ एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 12 विटनेसेस थे जिन्होंने बयान दिया था, क्रेडिबल जिसको एविडेंस कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में।
बाबू बजरंग ने जो किया है वो दूसरे से कोई ज्यादा नहीं किया है। दूसरे ने अगर 2-3 आदमी को मारा, मॉब लेके गए, तो ये भी ऐसा ही है। माया कोडनानी के सामने 11 एविडेंस थे, विटनेसेस, जिन्होंने बोला था कि माया कोडनानी वहाँ 9 से 9:30 के बीच या 11 के बीच वहां पे थी और आके भाषण करके चली गई। लेकिन ये जो 11 witnesses थे, इसमें contradiction था।
After 22 years, Arsenal manager Arsene Wenger is set to depart from the club at the end of this season. It feels weird, but I hope those who are running the #WengerOut campaign are happy now. Whether you loved him or hated him, whether you supported Arsenal or not, the departure of Arsene Wenger marks the end of an era in the English Premier League. A lot has been said about Wenger, but for more, we have the Queen's designated gunner Wakasha with us. So Wakasha, what do you feel about Wenger's departure?
You know, I mean, in his time at Arsenal, a record 7 FA Cups, including just last season, 3 league titles, which include a season going unbeaten, which no team had done in England for 100 years, and you know, no team had ever done it quite the way he did it. The Invincible season. And the legacy is not just about the trophies won and the kind of football Arsenal play, the Wenger ball as it used to be called, but also he changed English football as a whole. He changed the way they looked at it, the way they considered football, the way they looked. Gary Neville today says he changed the way they thought about how to play. And I think that's the greatest compliment to all the achievements he brought.
In December 2012, after the horrific Nirbhaya gang rape, Prasoon Joshi, the censor board chief, was one of the thousands of protesters who took to the streets. His poetry reverberated across television screens. Cut to April 2018, when the nation is boiling over the brutal gang rape and murder of an 8-year-old in Kathua in Jammu and Kashmir. The same Prasoon Joshi spoke not a single word, neither poetry nor prose. So dear Prasoon Joshi, what exactly changed?
दिल्ली गैंगरेप पीड़ित की मौत के बाद मुंबई में हुए कैंडल मार्च में मशहूर गीतकार प्रसून जोशी ने गीत गुनगुनाकर लड़की को श्रद्धांजलि दी।
बोले रहा न जाए, दिल बोले रहा न जाए बाबू।
There's a famous joke in Bengaluru that earlier you used to drive on the left, now you drive on whatever that is left. From potholes to women's safety to burning lakes, the capital of the pole-bound Karnataka has some fixing to be done. For some more, let's hear what the RJs of Bengaluru have to say.
Okay, this is for the potholes in Nama Bengaluru. We are sick of the potholes. We don't want any more road accidents because of the potholes. अब तो आदत सी है हमको ऐसे जीने में।
जब इशू की बात आती है मेरी जान तो ट्रैफिक ही याद आता है, और वो गाना ए भाई जरा देख के चलाओ,
आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी।